Tearing down silos, enhancing teamwork and collaboration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language: tear down silos. This phrase is commonly used in business and organizational contexts. So, if you're keen on understanding workplace dynamics or enhancing your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Tear down silos is an idiomatic expression. A silo in this context doesn't refer to a physical structure in agriculture, but to a metaphorical one in organizations. It describes situations where departments or teams work in isolation, unaware or uninformed about what the others are doing. To tear down silos means to remove these barriers, encouraging communication, collaboration, and sharing of information among different parts of an organization. The origin of this phrase lies in the agricultural silos, tall structures used to store grain separately. This imagery is used metaphorically to describe isolated units within organizations. In the corporate world, using this phrase signifies a desire for increased transparency and teamwork. It's often used by management and HR professionals. Breaking down silos can have numerous benefits. It leads to better communication, innovation, and efficiency. When teams collaborate, they can share resources and ideas, solve problems more effectively, and work towards common goals. It also helps in building a more cohesive and harmonious workplace. Tearing down silos involves several strategies. 1. Encouraging open communication, regular meetings and open forums where employees from different departments can interact. 2. Cross-departmental projects, initiatives that require collaboration between various teams. 3. Shared goals, establishing objectives that require collective effort to achieve. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to tear down silos in a professional context. It's all about fostering a collaborative environment where sharing and teamwork are prioritized. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful explorations into the English language.